So let's see about the billing and revenue cycle. Again, if there is a little bit big setup, you will believe on a receptionist or a accountant to your billing part. You have to keep in mind that whether there is a timeliness of billing is happening, and are there some TPA tie-up you are losing on, जैसे आयुष्मान योजना हो गया, बाकी जो लोकल टाइप्स होते हैं, इंश्योरेंस के साथ जो टाइप्स होते हैं, are there missing out on some of the types so that you are losing out on the patients? What is happening in the claim process, claim insurance processing? Is there somewhere any problem is there we can rectify? Sometimes क्या होता है कि I found that only thing that important is that you go there and ask कुछ problem तो नहीं है, and suddenly they will reveal everything. हमारा क्या होता है, हम अपने केबिन और ओटी या फिर कैथ लैब या फिर प्रोसीजर रूम में ही चक्कर काटते रहते हैं, and these area we do not focus on, as if they will work on autopilot mode. Or you should review it from time to time and do the costing for them also, because they will also fall in line once they understand that the boss is seeing that registers once in a month or once in a 2-3 months. Any leakage here, like unbilled services, मतलब क्या होता है कई बार सबलेटिंग हो जाता है. लाइक यू थिंक कि आप अपने कोई रिश्तेदार को फ्री कर देते हो. कई बार क्या होता है, आपको बताए बिना आपके जो सबॉर्डिनेट्स हैं वो अपने रिश्तेदारों को फ्री करने लगते हैं, एंड यू आर नॉट इवन अवेयर दैट इज देयर इज लीकेज. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन डूइंग फ्री, but you should be in loop. Like the boss should be in loop whenever you're undercharging or unbilling something. And this sometimes becomes a lot of big proportion. Like again, cash versus credit. In a rural setup or even in urban setup, there are some people who are taking on the credit services. They'll give you money afterwards. Whether there is a track of that or not, you're just losing that money. Again, free services or discounted services, are they authorized? Like you are understanding or knowing it or not, whether you are actually documenting it or not. But each thing documented will remain, and everything which is remembered will be forgotten. So making sure that you keep a diary for that. When you are doing free for something or you are doing discounted for something, you should note it somewhere.